Hello everyone. To debug the app on an actual Android device using Android Studio wirelessly, you need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network and follow these steps. Go to the settings of your mobile and click on build version a few times until it shows you are a developer, and search for developer options in settings. After you find the developer options, and scroll down and search for the USB and wireless debugging options and activate both. It will prompt you some messages which ensures that you are aware of the dangers like attackers. You will need to tick on I am aware and click OK. You will also need to activate the installation via the USB option. Then go to the wireless debugging and allow it on this network and click on pair device with QR code. Now open the Android Studio with the Flutter project, and now click on the device manager option in the right corner of the Android Studio, and then click on the physical option and pair using Wi-Fi, and it will prompt you to the QR code on the screen, and then scan the provided QR code with the pair using QR code option of your mobile phone, and you will see a notification that wireless debugging is connected. As you can see, it is showing my mobile device name as connected. I have installed a tool called SCRCPY or screen copy to mirror the device on the computer screen. This tool is very helpful. Let me know if you want a video on this tool. As you can see, ADV is working properly without connecting any wire. Now make sure your physical device is selected and run the app. It will take a few seconds or a few minutes. The Gradle task is running. This is my incomplete xylophone app which is running wirelessly on my actual Android device using Android Studio. Thank you.